Rent smarter with Heather Delamarter in lovely Vero Beach. Introducing a Berkshire Hathaway, Florida Realty rental property. To schedule your own tour, call 772-321-3056. Unfurnished rental available this coming October. Fall in love with a 3+ den house in Pointe West East Village. Built in 2018, split floor plan, volume ceilings, tile in all main areas, granite tops, natural gas including stove and water heater, 2-car garage, open porch for relaxing. Close to I-95 commutes, nearby shopping, dining, movies and our area beaches and parks. Pool and community.